سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Khalifa Ali, I'm just a humble servant trying to serve in Lashman and Tilaino. MashaAllah, I'm very proud of all of you, the way you enthusiasm you were reciting the Gathering Sharif. Thank you, Allah, give you strength to carry on doing the fantastic work you people are doing. Allah bless you. Ya Allah. You know, Sayyidina Ali Karamallahu Wajha, the 21st of Ramadan, is the martyrdom of Sayyidina Ali Karamallahu Wajha. Sayyidina Ali was born in the Kaaba and was the first youth to accept Islam, and he was also a cousin and a son-in-law of our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he was also the first person to pray with our Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam. Sayyidina Ali was called Asadullah, Lion of God, Haydar, brave-hearted, Abu Turab, father of dust, Amirul Mu'mineen, commander of the faithful. Sayyidina Ali was 10 years old, and Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam disclosed his mission before Ali radiallahu anhu. And as a young person, he immediately accepted Islam. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Ana Madinatul Ilm wa Ali babuha." I am the city of knowledge, and Ali is its door. It means everyone that's seeking knowledge must go through this door, through the barakah and blessings of Sayyidina Ali that Allah bestowed on him. You know, there are 41 Sufi tariqas. One of them, which is the Naqshbandi tariqah, goes through the heart of Sayyidina Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu. And 40 of them spring from the heart of Sayyidina Ali. Sayyidina Ali radiallahu anhu was very close to the Prophet alayhi salam. And the closeness was changed to a permanent relationship when he married Nabi alayhi salam's daughter, Sayyidina Fatima radiallahu anha. And Sayyidina Ali had also the distinguished honor that the progeny of the Prophet alayhi salam continued through Sayyidina Ali, through the sons of Fatima, Sayyidina Hassan and Sayyidina Hussein radiallahu anhu. They were the two most beloved children of our Prophet alayhi salam. When Quraysh made their conspiracy to kill the Prophet, who went into that bed? None other than Sayyidina Ali. Sayyidina Ali was in the Prophet's bed. Is that a normal bed? Or something special? That is the bed of prophecy. Who went into that bed? And Sayyidina Ali was in the Prophet's bed, subhanAllah. When they opened the door and found Sayyidina Ali there, they were blocked. That means no shaitan can get through that door. So Sayyidina Ali is at the heart of every believer. Meaning, I am the ocean of knowledge in the heart of every believer, and Ali is there at the door. That means when you enter the door, you enter the cave. And the door is Sayyidina Ali, and inside is Sayyidina Abu Bakr. That doesn't mean that Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu is higher than Sayyidina Ali, or Sayyidina Ali is higher than Sayyidina Umar, and so forth and so forth. No, not at all. Subhanallah. The Prophet alayhi salam loves and guides all of them the same, but he might have a more family love towards Sayyidina Ali because that was his son-in-law and was also his cousin, and he was the first person to accept Islam. Sayyidina Ali was not only a great warrior, but he was a great scholar. The noble Prophet alayhi salam said, as I said earlier, I am the center of knowledge, and Ali is its gate. He was one of the great jurists amongst the companions. The noble Prophet ﷺ appointed Sayyidina Ali as the Qadi, the judge in Yemen during his lifetime. And he was a master of Arabic, and his writings were as effective as his speech. Sayyidina Ali went out to pray, preceded by the Mu'adhin Ibn al-Nabbah, and followed by Hassan. Sayyidina Ali came out of the gateway calling the people to Salah, and was faced by two armed men with swords. Ibn Muljam struck him on the head with a poisoned sword and was caught while the other hid out of the gate and he ran away. Sayyidina Ali said, as he was dying, feed the prisoner and give him water. If I live, I shall decide about him, and if I die, kill him as I was killed without further enmity. This was the justice from Sayyidina Ali. Because of brevity of time, I have to keep it short, and allow me to share a small zikr with you. MashaAllah, I see the sitting here. Thank you for the opportunity, for inviting me here. I'm very honored and I'm feeling very special. I feel the same. Allah